Service in Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Somerset County in southeastern Maryland, northern Accomack County in southeastern Virginia, until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:04 p.m., severe thunderstorm was located near Tylerton, Oregon, 17 miles northeast of Fairport, moving east at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of southwestern Somerset and northern Accomack counties, including the following locations: Smith Island. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Intense thunderstorm lines can produce brief tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, it is best to move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The storm may cause serious injury and significant property damage. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. This is NOAA's National Weather Service. All hazards.
Possible tornado. That could happen.
From Wakefield, Virginia.